lot of anxiety about AI's impacts on jobs. What does that next generation designer look like? What skills do they need to learn or unlearn? Arin, let's kick it off there and we'll go to Victoria.
I think the important aspect of a designer is end-to-end thinking. Sometimes we lose that while we are working on design. So systems thinking is an attribute that we need to carry forward. That's one. And the part B is you got to understand the technology you're designing for. So for a designer to understand how to adopt, apply, embed AI, they need to understand the ramifications of it. How can it be used? Third, typically designers don't look into data. They look at designing experiences based on the use case. Unfortunately, it's garbage in, garbage out for AI. So it's important that designers expand their notion to understand a little bit on data lineage, data quality, where it's coming from. And the fourth question they've got to ask themselves is more on the ethical moral side. Is this thing going to help or hurt the user? Simple question. So, being the moral compass sometimes is hard in a business setting, but that's the role we have to play.
Victoria?
Yes, I want to double down on the data piece and the ethics. These models incredibly complex, and they're learning, with every interaction and every transaction. And it's really important that we recognize that, like I said, garbage in, garbage out, and like the power of the artificial intelligence of the agentic era is the data. And so that isn't always the most comfortable place for designers or design leaders.